Hey guys, welcome back to video. I know I did not upload it for a long time. So today we are gonna make a text to speech converter. Now sometimes you might need it. So let's begin. So first we have to install a package called PyTTS3. I know it's a weird name. Let's go and install the package first. Um, PyTTSK3. Okay, why it was. Okay, here is a link. Okay, we just have to copy this button here. Come here to Python, click on terminal, paste this link, and give it some time, and it shall do. And I know I wrote a spelling wrong here. Please don't stop commenting down below. Okay, and okay, it already installed. Okay, you guys might need to install. I installed it before only. So yeah, you guys. So after installing it, just you can write here by wait, what's the problem? Why it's giving me errors? Import by the, yeah, this we have to import it. Then we are gonna create a variable as text to speech converter. So let's call it a simple name called friend equals to py, this only pyttsx3 dot initialize it, so it will start the program from run. It will start the program running. Then we're gonna create one more variable called speech. So it's gonna tell us we have to write a speech equals to input. So this is like a question, like normally you ask Python, it will ask you what you should say. Now it should say 1 plus 1. If you write there 1 plus 1, it's gonna say 1 plus 1. So we're gonna write this, and we're gonna write in this, say a thing, lol. Okay, just for fun I'm writing lol here. Then you can say, since I've created a variable called friend over here, so I'm gonna write here again that only, because now the friend should say something, right? So I'm gonna write a friend dot say, because it's gonna say. Then then it should say the thing what I wanted to say. Now here, since I've created a variable called speech, so if I write here the speech here in this, yeah, speech done. Now I can just write here friend with friend dot run and wait. And if I run this now, no, it's why it's not running. Okay, it's now it's asking. Say it. Hi people.
Hi people.
Did you hear that? It literally said hi people. You can say like anything. Now mm, let's search something. Okay, let us make it to say this all lines of codes. I'm just for fun. So let's copy this all, and now let's go here, and again let's run the program. Simple. It's so like 4 lines of code.
Import pyttsx3.
See, it's literally saying that. Okay, I don't think so. It says like literally it says everything you want. Like this is like 4 lines of or 5 lines of code, you can say, or you can say I have a PC. Lol.
I have PC lol.
Lol. Like pretty much like a computer language. So I hope you like this video. I did not upload it a very long time. There are new videos coming and going to come. I don't forget to like, comment, share, whatever you want. And I hope you like it this video. I know it's short still, just like I'll there's a new video coming up, special video. So anyway, I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.